Okay guys, here we are at the crafter section. Let's see if there's anything new. Okay, so along the bottom we have the felt rolls, and these come, there's 2 boxes full. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. We have 2 boxes, and yep, they have all the colors, so that's good. Then you have these craft boxes that you can color and decorate any way that you want. Then here we have the stretchable bands. We have plenty of those. And these wood beads all the way to the top, guys. Those are not easy to come by where I live. Then you have these beadings right here. I don't think I've ever used these. Probably should try that. Then you have the wooden beads right here. Then I'm loving the metallic pony beads in the gold. And these are the glass beads. Let me put these here. Okay, so you have the metallic silver, and then you have this metallic, I love the metallic multicolor, and then you have these beads right here. So then you have the glass beads, then you have the gems. Here's the flowers, and here's the heart. They're multicolor, and there's the butterfly. So over here, guys, we have the baker's twine. Now, I think we only have the felt numbers. Yep. I'm usually looking for the letters. They do have them both, but I guess they swipe them up right away. So these guys come in black, royal blue, white, and red. Then you have your organizer box. See, these are numbers, felt numbers. So let me just put that up there for her. Then you have the medium clothespins, and then you have the tiny ones. And guys, you know that if you want the bigger ones, you can go over to the where they have the laundry area, and you might be able to get the big normal sized ones. Then here's some more felt numbers. Okay, then we have the googly eyes, guys, and the multicolor, and there they are in the black. All the way down, and I think the eyes are getting bigger. So here we have the gem stickers in the gold and that beautiful emerald green, and there you have the sapphire, and there you have the ruby. Then you have the felt foam stickers and those colors, but honestly the pack is all in multicolor, guys, so you're going to get all the colors in all the packs, even though the front sheet is a different color. Then here you have the washi tape. Okay, this is what they have. And let me show you what they have here on the end. So they have this car. This is not new. This one's cute. And I'm loving that one. And that one with the animals. Okay, so then we have the glue sticks here. We have them with that metallic, the metallic glue sticks. Okay, and then here is some more washi tape. Okay. And here, guys, are my favorite glue sticks. We have 2 boxes of those, and then we have some foam sheets, and here's some foam beads. Then we have the fastener dots, which is the Velcro dots. Then we have the multicolor feathers, and here we have the stickers in the shapes. Here we have the finger protectors, and here are the little mini tiny bottles, guys. I love those. And here are the residue erasers and the pop dots adhesive. They come in round and in square. Okay, here are the magnetic buttons, and here is your pop dot tape. Okay, some more magnetic buttons, and I'm absolutely loving these tags. These tags are beautiful. They have tons of them. What is in this box here? So they have a bunch of metallic pens and chalk writers in this box that haven't been put out yet. Then here you have the embossing stylus. Okay, so you have plenty of those, and here's the piercing and scoring. Okay, here's the metallic pens and and here, guys, is the chalk writers. So then you have the tags. So you have this kind and the heart I just showed you, and these are the plain round ones. Here's some prang, and here's some washable Crayola paint, and here's some more acrylic paints right here. So here you have the glitter glue. Okay, and here you have your finger painting and some palettes. You have the foam roller stuff, and then these are the only animals that are left, guys. So we have the dog, the moose, that cat, and some reptiles over there. Here, guys, you have some of their wood glue. Because they're out of the craft glue. And these guys, I can vouch for these brushes. They are excellent. I love them. So we have the clamps. These clamps come in so handy. We got plenty of those. Then you have these easels, but they only have them in the white. They're out of the black. So here's the sponge dabbers, and here, guys, are your brushes. These are the popsicle sticks right next to that, and here they are, the wood sticks in multicolor. And then you have the word cute. I don't know why this always seems to be the word that's left behind. Then you have these decor pieces, and you have the cross cutouts, and I'm loving the flower. So here's the arrows, here's the cross, there is the unicorn silhouette, and here's the butterfly silhouette. Here's one of the chalkboard writers. And look, this is the first time I'm seeing this at this location. They have the wood little animals. So these are the fish, and these guys are the snakes. I think these things are expensive in other stores. So then you have the wooden cubes. Okay, and these are the only wooden things they have to decorate in color. So there are the birdhouses. There's one of the laser cut box. I like those. Then you have the peace, the relax, the home, and the crosses right here. Now we get into the stencils and the stickers, guys. So they only seem to have, they ran out of the pearl jewel border stickers, but they have the gold ones. And then look at their butterflies, they're so realistic. They haven't had the butterflies in this location for a while. Then you have the rub-ons. These are regular stickers right here. These are my favorite. The black ones are my favorite. These are rub-ons. Now you have to watch, because right along the top it'll tell you if it's rub-on or regular sticker. I love these stickers. And this one, and here's a rub-on. Okay, these are regular stickers also. And look at these. I don't think I've seen these, the lowercase. So they have all different kinds, so make sure and look through. And look at them here in the silver. These are rub-ons, and so are these. These are the paper craft ones. I love those rub-ons. And then you have all of the stencils. So the blue ones are stencils, and the green ones are flexible stencils, and these are stencil sheets. Then you have these kind down here on the bottom, which I absolutely love these. They look or remind me of aluminum. And then I haven't seen this before, but I'm loving those stickers, guys. I haven't seen those before. So then at the very end over here where my mom lives at this location, actually in the location near my house too, they put the excess florals from the front to the back, and these are all the summer florals that's left. They moved them to the back. So this is what we have, guys. I don't see anything really new here in the crafter section. So I thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I will see you in the next video.